Hello and welcome along to a 13th series of What's Up TV, your favourite arts and culture show. We cover all things music, comedy, fashion, current affairs and so much more.
I tell a man's not hot, man's not. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot.
I'm a bit knackered. Knackered.
Is that an English? Is that a London word?
Knackered. No, that's definitely British.
The DJ doesn't go without the tunes and the tunes don't go without the DJ.
Who takes charge?
Oh, well, me, of course.
On this series, we're going to be putting a spotlight on sudden unexpected death in epilepsy.
I think what we carry is the frustration of our community.
Yeah.
And, you know, we're very close as an organisation.
How much plastic is there in our oceans?
A massive amount. I mean, the best estimates that we've got, and obviously the oceans are a massive place, hard to get this data, but it's 5 trillion pieces. It's about 12 million tonnes a year.
There are reports in the UK that show that some women are in period poverty, and they are having to resort to alternative methods such as socks and newspaper when it comes to their time of the month.
We don't have enough budget to be clean. It's so expensive.
We are poor people. We have nothing.
What is it that in men's fashion we need to really be quintessentially South Asian tradition?
So probably a kurta, what I said, the kurta I'm wearing inside.
Go, 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 watch it, man, go.
I definitely closed my eyes. What's going on?
So we took the word Wu-Tang, which was the best sword style, and we applied it to ourselves because we figured we had the best lyrics.
Babylon, yeah, it was a landmark because there wasn't nothing that had depicted the English reggae scene or the English, how we call urban scene there.
I asked him why are you wearing a bulletproof vest? And he literally just went, haters, innit?
Them never talk about the real Don Dada.
No, don't talk about the real Don Dada.
Who is the real Don Dada?
Only Steph knows.
Oh, only Steph knows.
If you're wondering how we were able to capture them in all of that action, have a look at this.